Hello and welcome to Africa Focus News Bulletin right here on Co TV. My name is Maurice Mbugwa and here are the stories making headlines. Major investment in Somaliland, growing US-Saudi involvement in Sudan, and tight security ahead of South Africa's G20 summit, and France renewed African strategy, and the escalating violence in Nigeria. We begin our bulletin in the Horn of Africa. Now, Somaliland has granted Taiwan-based Central Sky International Trading Company its first national-level livestock quarantine license, a groundbreaking development for the region's agriculture and export sector. Now, the company plans to build an 88-hectare quarantine and export hub just outside Berbera Port, equipped for high-standard health checks, traceability, and modern disease control infrastructure. Now, Somaliland's President Abdirahman Mohamed Abdullahi Iro has personally backed the initiative, calling it a pivotal step toward building a transparent, modern, and globally competitive livestock supply chain. This isn't just commercial. Somaliland is already a large exporter of live cattle, sheep, goats, and camels to countries in the Gulf like Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, and Oman. But with global buyers increasingly demanding health certification and traceability, the new facility could significantly boost Somaliland's export prospects. Beyond trade, the investment challenges Somaliland's ambiguous international status. By attracting credible private capital and meeting strict international health standards, Somaliland signals that it operates like any normal state, calling into question long-held diplomatic assumptions about its future. Now, for Africa, this is not just about livestock, it's about how a region on the periphery can reshape economic and possibly political realities.